Tanya.
Hi, I'm Brittany.
Hi, I'm Lauren.
And we did our extra credit video. We made a poem, and this is our experience so that we can share it with future Chem 200 students. Chemistry 200 is not so easy, you see, with organic hydrocarbons always haunting me. Woo! First we have alkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Then you'll see ketones, amines, and amides. There's one that has double bonds in a cyclic ring. That's the aromatic hydrocarbon benzene. Learn all 12 functional groups at your best, because you know Ashcroft will put them all on the test. When it comes to alcohols, you'll need to know oxidation. And when added to carboxylics, you get esterification. You must memorize these reactions and so much more, like hydrolysis and dehydrations and catalysts galore. Tertiary alcohols don't oxidize at all. And when adding OH to benzene, it makes a phenol. Boiling points and melting points you'll need to know. They increase with every addition of an O. One of the greatest boiling points of them all is none other than our friend alcohol.
You won't forget about glycolysis and citric acid cycle, which could be left behind, because here in Chem 200, they'll be engraved in your mind. There is still a lot to know about chem before we leave, like how citric acid cycle helps living things breathe. You need to know the reaction of glycolysis too, which has 10 steps total to go all the way through. Resonance structures, well, that's the one thing we hate, so we'll skip over that because we want this poem to be great. For some easy points in activity, you'll be going to spend 15 minutes of doing chemistry with Owen. For 100 more points you can't reject, going online and doing Connect. In lab, we apply all we have learned in class, but you must wear your shoes to protect your feet from glass. Organic chemicals are everywhere, so wear your lab coat and pull up your hair. Now, Professor Ashcroft, well, he's fantastic, even though he comes off a little sarcastic. You may want to think twice before raising your hand in class, because Ashcroft isn't afraid to make you look like an ass.
Every class with Gabe we really enjoyed because we always got to talk about steroids. We even got to learn about the composition of drugs and their names, like crack that you smoke and snorting cocaine. But some days I do just want this class to end. We never even have time to see our boyfriends. When you take this class, you'll see why. Chem 200 is always your alibi. There's so many things to memorize. We're not just saying this to scare you guys. Make sure to buy a whole lot of flashcards because you're going to have to study really, really hard. And at the end of every single day, you'll just want chemistry to go away. The poem is ending, and I know it's sad, but when the final exam is over, you'll be really glad.